Today's the first day of our second concept in Unit 1, and our second concept is space. When we talk about space, we talk about astronomy, which is the study of the universe. First thing that we need to deal with when we talk about the study of the universe is the universe itself. And with that, we talk about the Big Bang Theory. The Big Bang Theory is the theory dealing with the formation of the universe, and it tells us that at one time the entire universe was confined into this supermassive ball which was extremely hot, extremely dense, and then about 13.7 billion years ago it exploded very violently, hurling everything in all directions. With this started the expansion of our universe. We know that today our universe is currently expanding due to the Doppler effect, which we will talk about in one of our upcoming modules. Two hypotheses as to what's going to happen to our universe are the open universe and the closed universe hypotheses. The open universe hypothesis, people believe that the universe will continue to expand until eventually the stars are just going to die off, leaving nothing but emptiness out there in space. The closed universe hypothesis is a little more accepted, and that is that eventually gravity is going to become so great it's going to cause everything to stop expanding. It's going to bring everything back into the center of the universe, where all matter will contract in on itself, creating another supermassive hot dense ball. Eventually that will cause another Big Bang. When dealing with the universe, we have a hierarchy of organization, and that hierarchy of organization tells us that the universe is made up of galaxies. Those galaxies are made up of stars. Some of the stars have their own planetary systems orbiting around them, much like our own solar system, and then those planetary bodies we call satellite planets, and some of the satellite planets then have their own satellites, which we call moons. The formation of our own solar system is described in the nebular theory. The nebular theory, if you look at the picture on the left, you'll see in part A nebula, which is a cloud of dust and gas. That cloud of dust and gas started to spin. As it started to spin, it started to heat up. Most of the matter started to condense and clump together in the center of it, creating this accretionary disk. And then in part C you start to see the formation of our sun, some more matter clumping together on the outsides. Eventually then in part D you'll see what we know as our solar system today. We're going to talk more about accretion and the nebular theory in class when we do our nebular theory solar system soup lab outside.